Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check sensor data is on or off on iPhone. And here's how it is done. I have an iPhone here. Let us open up the settings and scroll down until we see privacy and security. Tap on that. Now if I scroll down a bit, I will find research sensor and usage data. I can tap on it. And at the very top, it says sensor and usage data is sent to research data. Enabling it allows collection from apps and studies. Basically, they are going to use your sensors and your data to sell to researchers for various purposes. You can see collected data is held for 24 hours before being shared with apps, except for face shape and expression data, which is held for 7 days before sharing. Again, this is basically mapping your sensor data from your phone onto your face. You can choose to have this turned on. You can always delete all currently collected data, and you can also just toggle that off if you don't want your iPhone tracking and collecting sensor information about you, your face, and your surroundings. That is everything you need to know about how to check sensor data is on or off on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.